Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a custom stickers of yourself in a CapCut PC. So if you ever wanted to react to your own videos with the custom stickers of your face, you can just follow what I do in here. So first you can just use the cutout and the effects tools in CapCut. First you can just add your photo like this to CapCut PC, and let's remove the background first. Go to remove background. Here I'm going to just use the auto cutout or auto removal, and now you can just add stroke. You can just enable the stroke in here and choose the stroke that you want. I think I'm going to just go, let's try this straight stroke. Okay, I'm going to just use the straight stroke in here. You can adjust the size and also the opacity. I'm going to just go with 100 for the opacity, and for the size I'm going to go with 17. Okay, so this is how it will look like, and you can also change the background if you want to. For example, here I'm going to just use canvas and use pattern. For example, let's say this one's right here. So this is how it will look like. And next one, you can apply the texture video effects. So just find texture under the video effects and you can choose which one that you want. For example, I'm going to go with the fold texture in here. I'm going to just make it apply to the sticker, so you can just drag it and it will become like this. Let's try another one. The print option, so you can just choose which one, or plastic wrap or the fold, another fold effects. I'm going to just go with this one. And if you want to animate it, you can just click on the photo and go to animations, and you can use the combo. For example, I'm going to go with the bounce, and this is how it will look like. So that's how you can easily create stickers with your own face in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you in the next tutorial.